why are you here? As few partners have called you here, I want to work with you for the next 6 months, 12 months, 18 months. Because working with you, I'm going to hold you accountable. I'm going to put you to the word. I'm going to hold you. I'm going to treat you the way I'm going. You are not going to, in fact, I'm going to make you uncomfortable. Because I'm going to chase you like I've trained you to. I just don't want to hear anything. You see, the reason why you are where you are is because you didn't do something. So if you want to still keep giving excuses, this mindset I want to give you, whether you like it or not, if you don't do something about where you are, nothing is going to change. So if you want to make a move with us, if you want to move with us, if you want to do this business and want to see success, which I want you to see, you have to do certain things. So my vision for you, I want to clear your mindset on some things. I'll say it and you think, oh, this is weird. For this 6, 12, 18 months, I want you to forget about, I want to qualify for a car. This is my vision for you, so you can write them down. Jot these days down, everything I'm saying, write them down. I don't like leaders where you go for meeting, you don't carry pen and paper. You can see the things I'm coming to tell you, they are here. I'm putting them down. So if you want to move with me, if you want to work with me, you want to be with me. In fact, the 20 people, some are from Nigeria and Zambia and stuff, but they are not here. But if rest assured me, I am in. I'm going to do it. Yes. My mentor said he chose on the first day when they joined their business. They didn't do long ritual. In fact, the gentleman who trained us the last time, Mr. Jarrod, he started with 21 leaders. After 18 months, only one left with him. Only one left, 20 out of the 21. So it's normal. These are some of the things I already know, and he's prepared me for the future. So when some certain things are happening, I'm normal. Romeo, the way I talk to you sometimes, the way I respond to your messages, like today, you are saying you don't have slide. I don't understand why you are a 5 diamond and you still don't have a slide, whether you have laptop or not. I could go to the cafe to go and develop I'll just get a pen drive, get my documents and stuff. I already scheduled the thing in my mind. Which picture is to come first? You've seen a lot of slides several times on presentation. So at the rank of that 5, 4, 3, you should have your own slide to tell your own story. These are some of the things I want you to do as a leader. These are some of the things you're going to do that you are going to be independent and you are going to be moving. You see, as soon as you lost your why, you start complaining. And anytime you complain about your company, your team leader, your upline, you are going back by a step. A step backwards is what you are taking. The laws of the universe works. So my purpose for you is I don't want you to say, I want to qualify for what I want to work for this vision. After this 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, I want you to earn not less than 500 Ghana cedi. Write it down. Not less than 500 Ghana cedi. If you have money in your pocket, you can pick Uber to anywhere. You can come to office at any time. Your lifestyle will change. Your working will change. 500 Ghana cedi a week, that's 2,000 Ghana cedi a month. This is my vision for you. Have your own vision. This is how I started with the people I started with, telling myself that I want to make 500 cedi a week. Then that is so when I called people, that's the vision I share with them. Where I'm going, what are we supposed to do? What I'm supposed to do. What I want to do, where I'm going, where I'm starting from. You understand? The car, the travel, the other stores. When these things fall in place, it will fall in place. How would you, even right where you are now, where you are, all the people listening to me here, if you are doing only long range and I'm giving you my car right now, can you maintain it? For the next 1 week, can you reuse it? One tie, when you have a tie bust, one tie under the car, do you know how much it is? So as a leader, I don't want you to start listening to sniffing information outside the box. This is what I want us to focus on. Most of us are drinking from sources that are contaminated. You are drinking from sources that are not purified. That water you are drinking, not that it's not good, it could be good for those people, those class of people, those category of people. Right now, when you go, you and I will go to our village and we drink water from whatever source they are drinking. It will take time for our system to be settled down and then accept that. It's the same thing you are doing in your business. You run diarrhea, it's the same thing you are doing to your business. When you are falling short in this business, you should look at what was working. So the next thing I want you to do is get a diary. Anything that we are going to start now and is going to be working for us, write them down. A day when we hit somewhere and you think things are not working, you go back to that book. What was I doing that I'm not doing now? I said I'm going to make you uncomfortable. If you are not going to kowtow to that, then probably you are going to fall off. Because that is what yes, 500 cedi per week. That is my major goal. That was my vision. So anybody I called, I said, bros, I've gotten something that I'm working on this project where for this number of days, after this number of days, I'm projecting that we can make 500 Ghana cedi a week. It's not everybody is moved by this car. Somebody needs money. Not everybody is moved by travel. That's why this promo, I'm not even promoting it as promo. I'm promoting it for the cash value. I won't mention the value to you, but I know you make money for it, and people are interested. Somebody is even asking, oh, so if I qualify for Greece and I don't want to go, what next? We need money. You yourself, you need money. So that is my vision. So how are we going to? I want to raise 500 cedi a week leaders. People that are willing. That is why I didn't send this thing to everybody. No, I don't want to move with the masses. There are times and seasons where we move with the masses. There are times and seasons where we need to move with some category of people. That's why I told you that if you are in, then make a list of at least 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10 active people in your team before we do this. So this message is for you. Then when the money start coming, by 18 months from now, I want to raise 6 to 10 trip qualifiers, travel qualifiers. I want you to write this thing down, date it down. So next year by this time, that will be 12 months. We will assess ourselves. 6 months from now, we'll assess ourselves. 3 months from now, we'll assess ourselves. And then 18 months from now, we'll assess ourselves and say that I've done this with people. It is your turn. So if you fall off again, or if you fall off willingly, intentionally, then I'll hold you responsible and you hold yourself responsible. After this, then we'll be looking at least 2, 3 car qualifiers 18 months from now. Then probably we will have at least with the whole group. It's good to set targets that are achievable. From I want to have I don't like using I want. That's why I normally say we need to raise at least 1 diamond 7, 2 diamond 6, 3 diamond 5, and everyone among us must rank advanced. How do you get to a rank? Definitely you make money. Are we? Good. The core mandate is to make money. Then we'll create that bond. I'm not going to create group for you people. No. Any message you receive, hey, Techno Spark 4. You are now joining. Well, anything I'm going to do here with you, everything I sent to Jello Baby is coming to Leslie, is coming to Romeo, is coming to Tammy, is coming to Kennedy. Dr. Elikim is supposed to be here. There are people who fall off from me. They are still willing to come back, but they are not able to come back because I don't know why they left at the first place. So someone will say, I have to go back to the basics. Why did you leave there at the first place? The best place to be is at the basics. That is why I don't like teaching. You have too many information and you are not even using them. You have too many information. So how are we going to achieve our mission? In the military, we have a mission statement. So when you are briefing your troops as the platoon commander or the officer in charge, and you are briefing on the model depicting the ground you are going to fight, when you miss the mission statement, that message, the briefing you did is zero. Commitment. I want all of us here to be 101% committed to what we are starting today. I don't want to know what is hindering you. That's the main reason why we need to do this. Anything that you are going to tell me that it's because of this and that is why you couldn't join this call, you are not going to be participating, what we are coming to do is an excuse. So there are times where, like the last time Romeo, he said I should do, I was even in Tamale, was on that, taking off, I was still on that call until I got to a place where there's no network in the air, and then the call, I was on Zoom with him, he can testify. And I want you to do away from complaining. Anything you think you don't know, ask yourself, what am I doing about it first? Don't call me and complain. And I said anything so for that, when you call me, those who called me, those who sent message, first thing I ask, what have you done about it yourself? What's your take? What did you try solving the problem? That's how we raise leaders. I can't be raising followers. I can't. So at this time, imagine I'm calling Papa Solo. He will die. I'm not saying don't call me. I'm not saying don't send me message. When you send me message, some of the things, when I think I assess you, I know this thing, you deserve an answer, I'll give it to you. But if I know, I'll hold you responsible for it. The first thing I ask, so you want to tell me, or are you sure of this? Did you check on it? What have you done about it? That one should tell you that. Automatically, I'm heading towards somewhere because I expect you as a leader to have that. Because if I don't treat you like this, you are going to think, oh, everything is normal. And then your business will be crawling. I said the best is for us to develop the leaders, deploy them for them to become change agents. So what are we going to do? Total commitment, 101. We all here every day from today, 2 prospects a day. 2 new prospects a day. So the next time I'm going to meet, I will have to expect that. I have to inspect that. I'm going to be expecting that that you show me and you put everybody on camera. In fact, let's all put our camera on. I want to see our faces. Put your camera on. I want to see your face. Romeo. Kennedy. Leslie. Okay. Nice. Hey, why, Jamila? Why? Because of the fasting? You don't want me to see your face? So, like I was saying, 2 prospects a day. And with these 2 prospects, we are going to be doing Zoom meetings. We will log in when the prospect join or not. We still do the presentation here. That's a learning process. So maybe the first presentation, I will do it. The next presentation, before we close, maybe I'll say, Nestle, you are the next person. And you are going to do it with your own slide. And then when we finish, whether there's prospect or there's no prospect, I'll still close. And you will learn the process. You can share your phone screen with Zoom. So there's no excuse. There's no excuse. We'll do 3 to 4 Zoom meetings every week. And then we'll ensure we'll convert this prospect. We'll get 5 sign-ups every month. I hope you are writing. Documentation is a problem, 5 sign-ups a month. Now, I want to warn you, if you are here, I'm going to be monitoring all of you. We will make sure we take advantage of every presentation, whether Papa Nick, KY, Papa Solo, myself, any presentation, you have to make sure you throw this, because when you create the broadcast list on WhatsApp for all your prospects, you keep sending them message. Send, if there any presentation, send them the link. Whether they've attended some, send them the link. Some people I sign up, attended presentation. Hey, Apostle, you are not coming. Oh, well done. See, that's a sign of a bad leader. Very bad one, of course. 5:30 is 6:10. So it took you 40 minutes to join the call because of MTN and that Roma. They will say it's network. But these are some of the things we need to eliminate, because my joy for you is to see the benefits of what I'm going to do with you as a leader. Let's take advantage of every presentation that we are going to be. I'm going to be sharing with you, and I'm going to give you a lot of information. Make use of it. You see, don't try to learn everything in the business. Don't try to learn everything online. Just find your reading, and if it works for you, just follow it. That's what I'm saying that try to document everything that is working for you today. Try to document everything that is working for you. Don't be too relaxed. There's no room for relaxation here. The next thing I want you to do is create a product sales channel. It can be a group page. It can be having a broadcast list for customers. It can be looking for new customers every day, which we need to do is a must. Then you make sure within a month, you don't sell less than 30 PV yourself. See, somebody asked also, if I don't have a team, how do I do? Why should I do 30 PV? If it's not your culture. Now, when you have a team, they will also say because they don't have a team, they won't do it. Because you are not preaching what you do. So it will not work for you. This is what we are coming to do. I'm not partners training you. I'm not training you. It's not partners training. This is the mission. This is what I've started. This is what is working for me. And I want to carry you along. I want you to see success. I want you to see something in the business. In the next 6 months, we are going to do this holistic. We don't care what is going on around. This is what we are going to do, and this is what we are going to do. So that is what the reason I called you here. For the sake of the late comments, I said what? We are here to map up a vision. I'm here to build it with a purpose, for my last name with you guys. For the next 18 months maximum, I want everybody here to make not less than 500 Ghana cedis. Because I believe when I have money in my pocket, I'll be more happy than you giving me a car. If I have enough money in my pocket, I can buy my own car. Some, you will even get a car and you cannot even fuel it if your commission is not good. So you need money in your pocket. If you have money in your pocket, you can pick Uber to go to that guy's office to go and close him. If you have car, you don't have money to buy fuel, you can't go there. I don't want you to listen to what is going on. You don't know they are behind the scene, what they are doing behind the scene. So don't be too much enthused about what the people are doing. Focus on your own. We talk focus, but we think joining only long reach is what we talk about, is all about focus. No. What is happening in your life currently, you have to even focus. What is happening in your life? You need to focus on it. This is what I'm doing. I'm building this thing. I'm on this project with Rasdov. So you wake up, you call me, what next? What next? When are we going to do our first presentation? So type in the comment, when do you think from today, when are we going to do our next presentation? So this is the reason, the last one, the reason why I told you to, yes, I was going over. We are going to raise Diamond 6 to 10 people from this group to qualify for cars, to qualify for trips, at least 3, at most, or maybe at least 3 car qualifiers will all rank up. We're going to have at least 7 diamond out of this group, and then create that bond of new leadership among us. This is not just words. This is what we are going to work with. And how are we going to achieve this? Total commitment, 101%. 2 prospects a day, each and every one. Get your diary. I don't like save them on phone, but get them written down. Write them down. You are going to do 3 to 4 Zoom calls a week. And then make sure the 5 sign up a week is not for the whole group. Each and every one of you must get 5 sign up a month. So each of you are going to be inviting 2, not less than 2 prospects. Personally, don't go and tell your team to bring his people for me to no. So we are not here to manage people. You are not here to manage people. Some of you 10 managers. Oh, can I do presentation for you? Like myself, I'll be doing. But me, I do for myself. Then I'm just taking advantage for you to add send me your prospect. Until now, nobody is even ready to bring prospect. So if I'm depending on those people, I want you to cease from depending on even the current people in your team, even the active ones. Don't depend on them. Keep on recruiting. Recruit every day, every time, every second. 2 prospects a day. Add them to your list. This is not a place of we are not yet there. None of us here, including me, we are not yet there. I know you are hearing a lot of things, and the way the company has gotten to, and the leaders, and do what you feel say those leaders are supposed to do in your life. Step up your game. Say, I'm going to make this thing work. Don't forget what you are doing. You are buying the experience. I can't be talking to you like this if I don't have the experience. But that is what you are buying. Don't learn too much. Practice more than you learn. When you make mistakes, you learn on the go. After the first 2 training I brought up with you, what have you learned? What have you practiced out of it? I know you've learned a lot of things, from leadership to Todd Falcone, how to build business. Have you practiced it? The job itself is very, very important. Take advantage of every presentation. Every presentation. Now, for the group, your active people, I want you to put the broadcast list together. I want you to go and brief them about the project I'm coming to do with you. You are my immediate commanders to your various platoons. So when I have the mission, which is my presentation, when I have my mission statement, my mission message, the main effort, I'll send to you. So I said, type in the comment box, when do you want us to do our first presentation? Then you also send to them that there is a presentation. This one, I don't want you to go and broadcast it in the groups. Send them privately. Let it go to them individually. Let them see the importance of it. It's some of us, like we have the joy in just being on Facebook, WhatsApp, and people sending you messages. I can also use my data to watch dancing or chatawale, beef, and political stuff, but it will not benefit me anyway. Let's say Sunday. I said just put it in the comment box. When do you want us to do our first presentation? Or you don't want to mention because you think you don't want to prospect. And do me a favor, if you think I'm going to chase you too much in the next 1 week, 2 weeks, please. You can say, that's this one there, I don't want to be part. My respect for you will go up. Than to be there and be doing, kwakwasa, I can't do. No. Go back to the basics. Look for people, how to prospect. That's the most important. The reason we are here, this is the reason. So if we are in, this is the launch of the program. 20 people are selected, 8 people, including myself, we are here. So where are the rest of the people? So you see why somebody will say, oh, only the top people make all the money. How many of you here prospect more than me in Long Reach? Sponsored the most people more than me? Or you sponsored people more than KY and Papa Solo? So why are you crying that only the top people? Have you done more presentations more than me? Have you closed more prospects than me? That is the universe. So the more you do it, I know things are hard. Yes. The same way you have problems at your level, they are problems to everybody at every level. So we are all solving some problem. And today I want you to stop listening to people. Yes. Everybody says Sunday. Yes. Mostly for my presentations, I can only host them in the evening, maybe 6:30, 7 or 8 in the evening, because of my work. I have to go to work. At that time, I can be rest assured that even if anything at all, my commander will leave me and I'll come home. Don't be whining or be listening to info, and this somebody will come and some people are demons. They don't want you to prosper. Yes. Say something. Yellow baby, you raise your hand. Some people are keep feeding you with toxic medications. Eastwood, you are not joining. God help us. Somebody will do memo and send to you. Some people are drinking toxic. People are feeding you with unnecessary things, and you are listening and then you are feeding. Let me tell you, when you go left and right and camp, you still have to build. Some partners are demons. The people you talk to, the people you receive info into your head. Oh, Rasto is this leader is this leader is like that. Ask them, what have you done yourself for yourself? Some come sweet to be on your side, but they are collapsing. The speed at which you are going, the level at which you are going, they are afraid. Some are jealous of you. So they will feed your mind with negative things. The skills is transferable. So you need to learn it.
Can't hear anything.
Jamila, you can't hear. You can't hear. Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
But Jamila say you can't hear anything.
Sorry, I was in the car, so I'm trying to go to. I travel small, but I'm going back home.
Next time you go with earpiece, that's an excuse. You can be
I'm
in the
sorry.
car and still. I see Amnesty walking, but he's still on the call.
Yeah, so sorry.
So I said some people come talk to you. See, there's no other strategy, no strategy that lasts in this industry, not only in our company, in this industry, than the only strategy I know. You prospect. You prospect. You sign them up. You train them to become leaders. That's the only strategy that will grow your business. When you go do something, you bring this person, you can do gimmicks and bring in people. But if the people cannot do that, they will give up. So you alone will end up bringing people doing that your magic and stuff. For some number of times, the people will leave. What I'm doing here, can't you do it? Can't you do Zoom with your people like you guys been doing already? Romeo and you or some of you have been doing already. This is duplicable. With my phone, I can do Zoom. With your phone, you can do Zoom. If you download Word PowerPoint from Google Play Store, you can create your own slide on your phone and you can do presentation with it. It's duplicable. But if I say you stand here, you bring 15 billion, do this, do that. Yes, it works for you. How can I even, let me tell how many of you here can parade 10 people that can generate or can put their hand in their pocket and come out with even gold package How many of you? So you do what is duplicable. Your speed. Let's say your speed is what's going to make a lot of people come back. The beauty in what you are doing. Now people prospect me every day for a plenty company. Ask them, are you being great to me, or you are doing disservice to me? I've started something. I've not even seen the head and tail of the people following me. I've not even made you guys here. How many of you here earn 500 CD a week in this business? Consistent, let's say from you've started this business, you made 500 CD like that, like consistently 2 months, 3 months in your life. That is why I brought you here. So I can't be telling you, go and do this, tomorrow do this. So when are you going to go? So learn the skills here. So if you can where you are doing transition, you can apply. It's like you are taking a transfer from level 200 in Legon to level 200 in Ashesi University. You have the foundation. That's why they can't give you a transfer from level 100 in Legon and you go to Tech to straight to level 300. It's not you say you struggle. You even leave, if not the time you give up. It applies like the same thing in this our business. So I want you to have focused mindset and give me yourself. When I started this business, forget my background, I told Papa, I've given you myself. Use me. In the night, sometimes I call Papa, I won't pick. In the night 12, you send me message before we talk. Yes, because I want it. So I have to learn. Loyalty. A lot of the leaders in network marketing in Ghana, they are not loyal at all. They are not loyal. See, there are certain things I'm doing today. When I started this business, I didn't even like to do them. I was just following what I was taught, because I don't want to worry my head. Just follow the thing that has worked for somebody. What I just discussed with you, is it hard? It is people we are going to talk to. So if I say do 2 people and you want massive results, you do 5 to at least maintain the 2.
I don't know what is happening.
We can hear you, Jamila. When you talk me, I can hear you.
You can't think.
That's Jennifer, I think. It's not Jamila. That is one. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to waste too much of your time. So we agree that Sunday. So kindly memo, one by one. This is the vision. This is my vision for you in the next 18 months. So the active people in your team, chase them like the way I'm going to chase you. There are people in life, some people must make them uncomfortable. Me, I hate complain, excuses, so don't come my way with that. Don't come my way with complaint. I've complained and I've given excuses for too long, and it didn't help me. So I want to do away with that. That is my point. God bless you so much. Sunday, we are setting up. So whatever project you are doing, infuse it into this one. Whatever project you are doing, infuse it into this one. Tell your downline. So on that day, Sunday, we schedule the next meeting. I said we are going to do 3 to 4 Zooms within a week. So I've upgraded my Zoom package. Can take over 100 people, and we can be here over 24 hours without it stopping. For you, I paid for that. So all we do is, from today, Right after this, I'll create the meeting, the presentation link for that day. I'll send the links to you. Then we start promoting. Just promote wherever, whether you promote somebody like it, don't do it. Just do it. Sunday, I'll do the presentation myself. And then the next day, we'll all pick who is next to do it. So let's all prepare. We are not just going to be following, I'll be doing presentation. No. I'm going to train you in different ways, how to cut short some things as a leader, or how to, yes. It's worked for me, so I want to teach you. The only thing I need from you is your commitment, your availability for this. This is what we sign up for. And this is what we want to do. God bless you for coming. God bless your family, your team. Certainly. God bless your husband. Any question for me? I just want to see you win. I want to see you win. I want to make impact in your life. Develop a leader, deploy the leader as change agents. God bless you too. God bless you all. If you don't have any question, then we'll call it a day. I'm still arranging for one of the top leaders, one of the top leaders again in MLM, which before you join his trainings online, you don't pay less than $1,000. We'll have a meeting with him one of these days. He's the next on the list. So all those things I'm doing, I'm going to talk to people in US, Canada, and stuff, and then they'll say yes. For you to connect with those $1 million earners, it's also a trick. There's a way. The last time I put up the training with Tough Akoni, people call me from US. Say, how did you do that? How did you get in touch? They say yes. It's an art. You have to learn it. Those are some of the things I want to teach you. So I want to expose you to those things as a leader. Have a nice evening. If you don't have any questions, Sunday, I'll create the link. But let's say Sunday 6:30 will start. And I'm going to mark register your prospect. What's the name of your prospect? I want to see if you've been invited. Me, myself, I will have to invite. So if my prospect didn't attend, I have to invite my wife to join to represent my prospect. That's how serious it's going to be. All right. Have a nice evening. Bye-bye.